Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share something truly special with you all today. Today we're diving into the world of Pokemon makeup. Yes, you heard that right. Pokemon and makeup have come together in the most fabulous way possible. Yes, you heard right. It's a real thing, and it's absolutely adorable. I mean, who wouldn't want to look like their favorite Pokemon? This limited edition collection is almost impossible to find. It's like hunting for rare Pokemon in the wild. I had to use my connections to get mine. Trust me, it was worth every bit of effort. This collection is all about Pikachu, the cutest Pokemon ever. From the colors to the packaging, everything screams Pikachu. The packaging is amazing. Think bright yellows, bold reds, and of course, Pikachu's adorable face. It's like a burst of joy in a makeup box. I'm obsessed with everything Pokemon. From the games to the merchandise, I just can't get enough. I even have a tattoo. That's how deep my love for Pokemon goes. So you know I had to try this makeup. The colors are vibrant, and the quality is top-notch. And let me tell you, it's electrifying. The pigments are stunning, and the overall experience is just magical. Let's talk packaging. When it comes to makeup, the packaging can be just as exciting as the product itself. The star of the show is the eyeshadow palette. It's not just any palette, it's designed to catch your eye and make a statement. It's shaped like a Pokeball. This unique design is perfect for any Pokemon fan. It's so cute, I almost don't want to use it. Almost. The attention to detail is incredible. Inside, you'll find a range of colors. Each shade is carefully selected to complement the others. There are yellows and oranges for a sunny look. These shades are perfect for a bright, cheerful appearance, and browns and golds for something more dramatic. These colors are ideal for creating a bold, striking look. Next up, we have the blush. This isn't just any blush. It's designed to give you a natural, healthy glow. It comes in a compact with Pikachu's face on it. How cute is that? It's a must-have for any collector. And finally, we have the lip tint. This product is perfect for adding a touch of color to your lips. It's a bright red, perfect for a pop of color. Whether you're going for a subtle look or something more vibrant, this lip tint has you covered. Now, let's get to the fun part, applying this makeup. This look is all about vibrant colors and a fresh, glowing complexion. I started with the eyeshadow palette. The colors are pigmented and blend like a dream. The palette offers a variety of shades, perfect for creating a bold or subtle look. I used a light yellow shade all over my lid. This bright base sets the stage for the rest of the colors. Then, I added a touch of orange in the crease. This adds depth and dimension to the eyes, making them pop. To finish, I used a shimmery gold on my inner corner. This highlight brightens the eyes and adds a touch of glamour. Next, I applied the blush. It's a beautiful peachy pink that gives a natural flush. This shade complements the eye makeup perfectly, adding warmth to the cheeks. Finally, I put on the lip tint. It's a bit sheer, but it's buildable. This allows for a customizable look, whether you want a subtle tint or a more vibrant lip color. This makeup collection brought back so many wonderful childhood memories. I remember watching the Pokemon anime every single day after school and playing Pokemon Red on my Game Boy Color for countless hours. This makeup is not just cute, it's also high quality. The eyeshadows are just as good as my own collection, and the blush is super pigmented and vibrant. Overall, I'm completely obsessed with this Pokemon makeup collection. It's cute, fun, and of very high quality. If you can get your hands on it, do it. You definitely won't regret it. If you love beauty with a fun twist, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy adventure. See you in the next one.